Hello, this is Jason, and I am at the EmQuartier Mall, and I'm going to have that's ribeye, some smoked ribeye from this place called Smoked Joint, and filming with my 360 camera. But here is some of the things that you can get. This is what I ordered. Smoked ribeye set, which is $11. And they got sandwiches, burgers, skewers, little rice thingamabobs. And even spaghetti with smoked beef. And smoked chicken, fried rice. It's like a lot of good stuff. Grab Thumbs Up Award 2025. So, hopefully it's good. So I will tune back in with you when I get my food and we'll take a look. Alright, so here we go. Smoked joint. And this is the ribeye with some macaroni and cheese and some macaroni and tomato sauce and some nicely grilled garlic butter. And they put that mustard on my plate, which I had to remove immediately before I gagged to death. I don't even like that it was in the vicinity. Alright. Let's try a little bit of the tomato mac. Not too bad. And the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is really good. And I got some Thai tea. Let's try a steak with nothing. They got some barbecue sauce. I just want to try it by itself. It's been a while since I had some ribeye. Pretty good. Let's try the barbecue. That's good. And I think we got some salt. It's all very good. Never dipped a ribeye in barbecue. But it is pretty good. So Smoked Joint, pretty good place. This is in the basement of the EmQuartier. I think that Smoked Joint has other locations in Bangkok too. I've heard the name before. So if you're craving some steak, not too bad of a price. You're not getting a ton of steak, but it will scratch the itch for me. The mac and cheese is great. I'd like to order just a big bowl of that. It reminds me of some show about like weird addictions or something. And there's this guy that's like, I think he's in his 20s, and he only eats macaroni and cheese, and has for like his whole life. I think you'd die of some sort of nutrient deficiency, but Google it. True story. You get this mac and cheese recipe. This is not your typical Kraft mac and cheese. I do have to say though, for $11, I'm not that full. The other night I ate at a ramen restaurant that allows you to eat unlimited eggs. So the bowl of ramen was $8, and then I ate 9 hard-boiled eggs. So I got full on $8 then, but not that full on $11 here. But it was tasty. My only complaint would be quantity. I would have liked a little more. All right, well, that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it.